We'll guide you through how to explore ChatGPT religion. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. On the homepage, you should see a search bar or a browse feature. Use this to search for ChatGPT religion to locate the specific section or thread dedicated to religious discussions and insights powered by ChatGPT. When you find the relevant section, click on it to enter and explore the content available. This area is typically filled with various religious topics, discussions, and interactive experiences you can engage with. You can click on any topic that catches your interest to dive deeper. If you wish to contribute or ask questions, look for a start discussion or ask a question button. Clicking this will allow you to type in your query or contribution. Don't forget to review any community guidelines or rules that might be in place to ensure a respectful and productive interaction. You can also bookmark your favorite discussions or follow specific topics by clicking any follow or bookmark buttons you see this way. You'll get notifications or easy access to updates and new posts related to your interests. Remember, exploring religious topics can lead to a rich and diverse experience, so take your time and feel free to engage in discussions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.